Hello girly puffs, it's Savannah. For today's video we're going to be trying out this Color Lux Copper Cleansing Conditioner Wash. I'm really excited. If you've been here before, you saw me first try out the Divines, as well as the Garnier Fructis in red. Now this one was like a touch more Ariel bright red. This one was a little light coppery but still that gorgeous shiny reflective. If you didn't know, a color conditioner mask works on bleached, color dyed, basically pre-dyed, something has been done to your hair but it's already been washed out, but you want to refresh the color a little. These are perfect. If you have virgin hair or virgin roots, it's not going to color those at all. I'm pretty sure. We're obviously going to test it out. These ones don't dye your roots. It only does the pre-bleached or color treated hair. My hair is color treated. I used to be a bleach blonde and then I went old money blonde and now I'm more of that coppery red, strawberry blonde, whatever color you want to say. I love the color my stylist gets, but even though it's permanent, it does kind of wash out. Reds fade. So as my colors fade, I love a color conditioning wash. This one is my favorite, but it is really pricey. So let's see, does the Color Lux one compare to the Divines for a fraction of the price? Let's dive in and see.
Here's my hair in natural lighting. This one is yesterday, and then I washed my hair last night after the movie because that's disgusting. I don't like movie theaters. So this is what my hair looks like the next day after one more wash. You can see I need that refresh. Make sure I'm always using a color safe shampoo and cold water.
I did see Wicked last night. I fell asleep on wet hair. That's why my hair looks like this, by the way. I am going to show you guys me applying it just so that you can see. It does say keep reapplying until you get your desired color. I do think the top color is a little bit more vibrant and like stayed, and then the bottom is washed out, and hopefully it adds that like shine, that glistening. When you get that fresh color, it just looks extra shiny and gorgeous. I love it. Hoping it'll even it out, make it all one solid color, kind of less faded at the bottom. Obviously the top could use a little color refresh too. It says leave it for anywhere from 2 to 25 minutes. Quite a variety of range, so it just depends on what color you want, probably how bleached your hair is. I'm gonna probably realistically 10 minutes. Right in the middle, so I have enough time to apply it everywhere, get in the shower, and wash it off. It says for maximum intensity, do multiple applications until desired color is achieved, or apply it to dry hair. For maximum intensity, use it on dry hair. We're gonna do it on dry hair. These two, I definitely did it on wet hair, but now I'm thinking I could have done it on dry hair too. I'm gonna be sneaky and I wanna see what it smells like, what it looks like. Okay, it is a bright orange, super deep dark color. As you can see, it does just smell really good, like a yummy, clean salon product. Nothing gross and weird. The Divines is a touch more muted orange with flecks of red in it. Let me show. Can you see how much more vibrant this one is? Reminds me of this one, which be careful. She's red. It actually is exactly like the cherry cone topper at Arctic Circle. That's the exact red color that one is. So this one, I'm actually really excited. They had a red, but it looked too bright, deep. I'm definitely more of like that orange copper. So I'm glad we chose the right color, I think. Now, am I making a bad decision by not wearing gloves? I hate using them, and it doesn't say anything about them. I have a dark shirt on. Oh, it just says wash hands thoroughly after use. Okay. Since I think it's going to stick to the bottom better, we're gonna start roots and work it down to the tips. Let's go. I should have put gloves on. As soon as I see this pigment, I should have put gloves on. Okay, work fast, work fast. Just work fast. Parting is a good idea, but if you've been here before, we're about the lazy girl hairstyles of the day, not the most specific. We'll wipe our face after too, don't worry. Fake tan hands, fake tan hands. It smells so good. It smells like some kind of gives a Mika mixed with Eva NYC. If you know hair products, you might know that exact scent. It's like a sweet hair product scent. I can definitely see that color is darkening up. Love, love, love. We're going to get it on the roots, even though I'm guessing it's not going to touch the virgin hairs. Why not try? It'd be harder, honestly, to skip it at this point. I forget this is gonna dye your scalp. The Divines one did when I did it like that, and it made my scalp feel like fake tanned, huh? It's okay, it's fine. This one is a very thin, like watery, liquidy, not a super thick one. The Garnier's the thickest. This is like the middle ground, but the Divines is the most conditioning. Just like made my hair feel the silkiest, but who knows? We don't know how this one washes out. Okay, Did I get everywhere? I'm just making sure nothing feels dry. That's actually the one benefit of applying this dry. I am able to tell, oh, did I miss a spot? Because it's not wet already. I like that. I'm gonna need to wash the bottle off too because I've got fingerprints all over it. And it does say cleanser conditioner. I looked it up. I guess they're just trying not to get your money out of you because Davines, Garnier, they have two-step products where they have the shampoo conditioner. This one's just a one-step product, which I appreciate. The less steps to achieve the end results, the better. Making sure everything is nice and wet. You probably should brush your hair out before to make it easier to brush through. I'm breaking out the big dogs. Since filming this video, I will just put these in my shower and then use them when I need them, and it's a little bit cleaner. You do it at the beginning, do everything you need to do, rinse it out and go. These are good shower products, but I wanted to show you guys, and I don't think maybe you wanted to get in the shower with me, little perk. This is what we're working with, y'all. I'll see you back here in 10 minutes with freshly shampooed hair. We'll look at it wet and then we'll look at it dry. Let's go. Hello, I turned off my light and I just wanted to tell you I saw a couple patches that I missed because I was being blinded. So I did just quickly with one hand. I don't know why I didn't use two. I just added a little bit more. The ends are kind of absorbing it pretty fast. A little more to the ends. Okay, same lighting as 1 second before, and I can already tell the color looks deeper. Ooh, okay, so the longer you wait, the longer it seems like it's developing. Here's the same color, just with that bright light so you can see more. Look at that. I did miss that one right there. It's just like a tiny bit lighter. It's the perfect to show you. But you can see I darkened it up. It kind of acts like you use this every time. For me, the whole point of it is don't want to use it every time. Once in a blue moon refresh. So, fingers crossed, sitting it on dry, leaving it, we can accomplish that. Let's wash it out, look at it wet, then look at it dry. What do you think? It's obviously literally soaking wet. I still have my towel on. I just got out of the shower. I'm going to put in hair products, get dressed, and let it air dry while I get dressed and all that, and then we're gonna blow it out. Okay? I think the blowout's gonna be the real results. Dun, da, da, da. This is the finished results. Okay, definitely think it colored on the pre-colored, the bleach, but not the virgin hair. Okay, so you can see my roots. It did not dye my skin or my scalp or anything crazy. It did just refresh the color. Putting it on dry hair is 100% the move because you're just getting more bang for your buck. You're not like literally diluting it down. I would recommend that unless you really wanted like a super bare minimum light copper wash, then obviously get it wet and apply it. Same goes for when you're doing a hair mask before you get in the shower. If you want to dilute it down, you get your hair wet, put the hair mask on. For me, I put a hair mask on, go clean my house, and then get in the shower and wash it off. I left it for a maximum of 10 minutes, and that seemed like a good, strong amount of time. A lot does wash out in the shower. It does say on the bottle, use it every wash. I'm never gonna do that. That seems like a waste of my time. I want something that's a refresh every once in a while. I love this. I really like the copper color. It still has that dark, deep, like a bright reddish, but not too dark. So it's copper with red, where the Davines is just like a super, super light copper wash. I do think it helps add shine to the hair. Obviously, I use my FlexStyle, my hair products. Those help a ton too. I am going to give this one a 9.5 out of 10. I'm docking off a half point because it does kind of smell like color. You know how when you get your hair done at the salon afterwards, she has it like smelling like a salon? I washed it out, I put all my hair products in, and it does smell good, it does smell like my hair products, but there is an underlying hint of hair color, and I think that's why it smells so good in the packaging, is because they're trying to cover that, and they do a really good job at it, but I would put more Lush Super Milk in next time so that it smells like super milk instead of hair color. I'm very picky about my scents, if you haven't caught on to that yet, but it definitely deepens the color, it brightens it, it adds shine, it works on the bleach, the color treated, but not the roots. I really, really, really love this. I actually do think I prefer this color out of the other two. And this one was only $9. I did order mine. I saw my Walmart had it, so I did my pickup with it, but it literally shipped same day to my house. $9. I'll put a link for it below if you want this exact color, but they had so many colors. So if you have bleached hair, this would be fun because it does wash out. You could try the pinks, whatever you want. Love. I had so much fun trying out this Color Lux Copper Cleansing Color Conditioner. It colors, cleanses, conditions, adds silky shine, and prevents color washout and fade. I agree. I think this definitely does what it says. And I would like to mention it did not stain my hands. Literally just washed them twice. It came off really quickly. Doesn't stain your neck. Didn't stain my white tile. Didn't stain my white sink. I would recommend this if you're looking for something like this. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this type of, give it a like and a subscribe so you can see more of me. And I will see you next week. I love you. Bye!